In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your first webinar on Livestorm step by step, so you can start hosting professional, engaging webinars in no time. Whether you're new to webinars or looking for a simple way to host high-quality events, Livestorm is a powerful tool, and I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know. Stay tuned till the end for an exclusive bonus to get started for free with Livestorm. Now, Livestorm is a great platform for running webinars, and the best part is you can get started for free with no hidden fees or surprises. The first thing you need to do is create an account. You can sign up directly from the first link in the description to get an extended free trial and bonuses that will save you a ton of time and money. Once you're signed in, the dashboard is your starting point. It's clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. To create your first webinar, click on the Create Event button. Livestorm allows you to choose between live webinars, on-demand events, or even pre-recorded sessions. Choose Live Webinar to get started with a live event. Next, you'll be asked to name your webinar and set up the date and time. This is where you can decide if your webinar will be a one-time event or if you'd like to repeat it. You can also customize the registration page here, where you can ask for attendee information such as their name, email, or any other details that will help you engage with your audience. Livestorm's registration forms are fully customizable, so make sure to personalize them to fit your brand. Once your event is scheduled, it's time to set up the webinar itself. You'll notice that Livestorm offers a lot of customization options. You can choose the branding, upload your logo, and even select a background image for your event page. This helps ensure that the webinar feels like your own, fitting into your overall branding. The platform also gives you the option to set up automatic email reminders to ensure that your attendees don't forget about your event. You can set up a reminder 24 hours before as well as 1 hour before the event starts. These automated emails can be a lifesaver in terms of reducing no-shows. Now, when it comes to the actual webinar, you'll have everything you need in one place. Livestorm makes it easy to manage your presentation with their built-in tools. You can share your screen, present slides, or even integrate with third-party apps like YouTube for live streaming. Livestorm's video quality is top-notch, and the platform also includes a chat feature so you can engage with your attendees throughout the session. What makes Livestorm stand out is its interactive features. You can run live polls, Q&A sessions, and even private chats with specific attendees. This is a game changer for creating a more engaging and interactive experience for your audience. Plus, the platform is mobile-friendly, meaning your attendees can join from anywhere, whether they're on desktop or mobile. Once the webinar ends, Livestorm provides detailed analytics on attendee engagement, drop-off rates, and more, so you can evaluate the success of your event and make improvements for next time. This is incredibly valuable, especially if you plan on hosting multiple webinars or running online courses. Livestorm also makes it easy to follow up with your attendees. You can automatically send them a recording of the webinar or share relevant content that can add value to their experience. So, that's how you create your first webinar on Livestorm. It's easy, efficient, and designed for anyone, no matter your technical experience. If you want to start hosting webinars that engage and convert, Livestorm is the way to go. As promised, don't forget to check the first link below for an exclusive and extended free trial with additional bonuses to help you get started. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and get started creating your first webinar today.